Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Rashid and today I'm here for you and inshallah today we will discuss the advanced and new features of Microsoft Word 2013, and the first function that is new, that is when you open a document of Word, and here are some documents, here are some title pages are here, and you can use these title pages according to your requirement, according to your project. So here is number of title pages, right? And open here, if I open any, so now you can see that for example there is a paragraph, right? And you can see that you can maximize and minimize your paragraph as well. This is also a new feature of Word: maximize, minimize, right? So this is also a new feature. View read mode mean you can go to read mode, and this is the easy way by which you can read your document easily, because you can see words are visible and easy to understand. So this is a new feature of Microsoft Word 2013, in which you can read the document easily, right? And if you want to go back, just press escape. Then control and I just want to show you another function. For example, here is a table. You can see that there is just one row and 3 columns. If you want to add one more column, you just need to go ahead and here is a plus sign and just click. And if you want to add new row, you just need to click on this plus, and you can add more rows in this table. So these are the basic and new features of Microsoft Word 2013, and inshallah when we will talk and we will discussing about them, about other things on other lecture, and there will be some new features will be highlighted. So this is all for this tutorial, and see you in the next one. And okay, see you. Allah Hafiz. Bye. Thank you.